When I go jogging, my creative side gets so stimulated and I start envisioning what today's video is gonna be about. And it starts by a wide angle area of South Miami looking towards downtown Miami. For 2 weeks, I've been uploading a video to YouTube by simply coming out here and talking to you guys, thinking that somehow I was making good video content. But what I really was doing was, so I was kind of setting the bar each and every day to at least give myself a chance to kind of get on camera and talk about my story. You see, I'm not even supposed to be at Starbucks right now. I'm supposed to be back here where it all starts. Each and every day I've been coming here, starting my day here, and trying to talk to you guys. Now, you wouldn't think that's a big deal until you start really seeing yourself on camera and talking each and every day, and you start realizing that the videos that you're making don't look like anybody else. I have to kind of step up my game a little bit and start making them look just like every other YouTuber. You might be asking yourself, why do you want to look like every other YouTuber? And if I can make my videos look like every other YouTuber and get you to watch the entire video, then I can explain to you how you can make money by simply sharing links to tours and activities in Miami, like Zoo Miami. You see, the zoo can't meet with every social media influencer that's looking to promote the zoo. So they get with my company and I play the intermediary between the zoo and the social media influencer, making it easier for you to make money. And that's always been my purpose for this YouTube channel, is to promote my website that actually helps you make money. So if you've been watching my videos for a while and you want to just share links to different things to do in Miami, then visit Traferral.com and just start sharing some links. And that's always been the prime purpose of my YouTube channel, is to promote Traferral. But in this whole process, I've been learning that making videos on YouTube is rather hard. So I've taken up the challenge of making awesome YouTube videos just to promote my website and just to explain to you that it's super easy to share links to travel and tourism in Miami by using my website called Traferral. So not only do I make videos, but I also program the website myself. And if you're a tour and activity in Miami and you want to be registered on my site, so just contact me at ryan@traferral.com and we'd be happy to put your products, your tours, your activities on our website. So this is the #1 reason why I want to be a YouTuber, is to make these kids proud of me. Karina, guess how many subscribers I have?
548.
Yeah, how did you know?
And don't forget to subscribe to my dad's channel so he can reach 1,000.